This is a wireless wave protector test to show the protection that you receive with wireless wave protector when using a microwave oven, which is one of the most highly radiation emitting products on the market today. You can see that it would burn this paper clip, and everybody knows that microwaves cook food and heat food, but at the same time everybody should be aware that this is not done the same way as a fire or a heating oven would do, in that it actually changes the molecular structure of what it is heating. You can certainly learn more about this by researching microwaves and how they heat and cook food. For this experiment and test, we're showing you what a microwave did to a paper clip in just 7 seconds. At the same time, I'm turning on an electromagnetic radiation meter that reads in megahertz, and you can see when the microwave is not on, the megahertz reading is 4.6. We just had a little power surge come through the house from the power lines. It went up to a few hundred, and you can see it immediately dropping back down. When you turn a microwave on, you will instantly see that it is going to start emitting enormous amounts of radiation in megahertz, and it just went from 10 to 100 to 1,000 to 1,200 to 1,300 to 1,600 to 3,600 and above, and they can range in going up even higher, and they can go up into the 5,000 or 6,000 megahertz range. Now, when you are next to a microwave, you are inherently receiving this radiation and your body is absorbing it. Now, if we were to put a wireless wave protector onto the microwave and immediately touch the microwave to it, you will see that immediately the megahertz start dropping. It just went from 2,000 to 1,200 to 900 to 700, 600, and it's fluctuating around the 700 or 800 range. Now it jumped back up a bit to 1,000, and as you can see, it is still not going anywhere near the 3,000 or 4,000 range that it usually will go to. Now that the microwave turned off, you can see immediately how the energy and the radiation is dissipating as it goes back down to almost a sedentary level and back to what's emitting itself as almost a 0 megahertz at this time. Yet, if we were to turn it on again by removing the wireless wave protector and hit the button again, immediately this microwave shoots up into the 2,000, 1,800, 3,000, it's up to 4,000, 5,000, fluctuating. That's because it's turning inside and it's emitting radiation in a cyclical fashion. Now, once again, if we were to put the wireless wave protector on there, or if I am touching this without a wireless wave protector, all of these megahertz are affecting my biofield in my body. If there's a wireless wave protector on it, you will not be affected in the same way, and your biofield and your strength will be retained. We will show you more tests on the wireless wave protector and how it works in the case of using cordless telephones, electrical cords that come out of your wall, internet routers, and other products that can be seen in our testing and ongoing testing. And you will see once again, as soon as the microwave went off, immediately the megahertz start to go back down again, almost to 0. Anything above 100 is considered hazardous to human beings and can be hazardous, especially if it's on a continual basis. We show you this test with microwaves, for they emit much more radiation than the typical cell phone or computer. And if the protector will protect you from this type of radiation, you can imagine what it will do from products that emit less. But the difference is, with a wireless wave protector on your cell phone, which you're using a lot of the time, all the time, whereas with the microwave you might use it for a few minutes a day, a cell phone you might be using for several hours or longer a day, along with the usage of your internet router and computer, your Wi-Fi products, and other communications devices.